92 days today or 91?
93.
93 days today.
And we have not been on land yet.
Oh.
This is a new one.
Obrigado.
Do you have some problem in the trip?
Lots. Mostly him.
That's a good
Mostly
job.
him. One of the most amazing highlights was to be in the mid-Atlantic. You feel so tiny, so small. And to dive in the water, you are diving into the deepest, biggest, cleanest, clearest swimming pool in the world. 5 kilometers deep.
That's it.
Very
You know,
special, yeah.
the beach house is a bit small, but the swimming pool is big. Eh?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. This is quite an overwhelming experience. I'm sure I speak for Wayne. We've been on our own for 93 days. Apart from a few times having to seek safe haven in coves along the Brazilian coast. Very overwhelming, suddenly people all around us. Kind of a weird feeling. But really great.
Well done, guys.
Everyone else to do the same. Hashtag dot. Do one thing.
Hey man, congratulations!
Thank you, man.
Hey Braam.
It's gonna be awesome. Thank you, Marilla, for the help.
Now let me quickly do the official part. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the government of South Africa and its people, we want to congratulate Wayne and Braam for completing this epic adventure. Against all challenges, storms, swells, bad weather, they made it. We just want to say thank you to God for taking care of them for more than 90 days, over 7,500 kilometers. What a great challenge, and they are alive. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Congratulations.
I chose Wayne to be my rowing partner because of his outstanding ability to navigate. He is by profession a yacht builder. He's done many Atlantic crossings and other boat races. So for me and a team, in English they say TEAM, together everyone achieves more. And my team, ASEA, my PA Ronel in South Africa, a whole team of about 12 key people have made this mission possible. It's not me, it was just my dream. So for me, it is to thank Wayne, first and foremost, for being my partner on this epic journey together. And to thank everybody in Brazil for welcoming us with open hearts. And particularly to my fellow South Africans. I'm honored and proud to be a South African.
Congratulations! Aí, ó.
A project of this magnitude, an expedition this size that was 4 years in the planning, is only made possible because of a strong team. TEAM stands for Together Everyone Achieves More. This is not just about the people around you, but very importantly, about your sponsors. It is amazing for me that ASEA has come on board, which means from the sea. You are empowering so many people to reach their dreams and their goals in life. I'm so looking forward to talking to you at your international conference in Utah later on this year. Thank you so much, ASEA, for being part of this incredible journey.